Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm super excited because we are doing a shop online with me at Sephora. The Sephora Holiday Savings event is starting tomorrow for Rouge members, so I wanted to do this video with you guys and just kind of like shop at Sephora together. This is so fun to do because I love getting to like talk to you guys about my purchases and just my thought process as I'm shopping the website. I think it's really fun. So like I said, starting tomorrow the 28th, Rouge members get 20% off through November 7th, and then starting November 1st, VIB members get 15% off, and then on the 3rd, Insider members will get 10% off, and they are also offering 30% off Sephora Collection starting tomorrow until the 7th, which I'm very excited about because I want the concealer. We'll get back to that later. So I'm excited to shop online with you guys today, but before we get started, this video is kindly sponsored by Top Cashback. So I use Top Cashback every single time I shop online to earn cashback on my purchases online because I shop online all the time. What I love about their website is that there are no minimum payouts and you can redeem your cash back for gift cards, which is what I typically do. So it's super easy to sign up. You just need your email address and you create a password. Top Cashback has over 7,000 retailers, and some of my favorites are obviously Sephora, Ulta, American Eagle, Gymshark, and Old Navy. So once you're on the Top Cashback website, just type in the name of your retailer, select it, and then click Get Cashback Now, and you'll be directed to their site and you'll just shop as normal. Top Cashback also has a browser extension which makes it even easier to get cash back. It just takes a few seconds to install and just kind of ensures that you're never going to miss out on your cash back. So if you go to a website that offers cash back, it'll pop up in the upper right hand corner and you can activate the cash back that way. So right now Sephora is offering 6% cash back, and if you sign up for Top Cashback and make a $25 purchase, you'll get a $10 sign up bonus. And we all know it's very easy to spend $25 at Sephora, so you'll be sure to get that sign up bonus. So if you want to sign up for Top Cashback, I'll leave my link down below for you, and let's get to shopping. I almost forgot to mention, I did just film this makeup look. I used the new Sigma Diana Saldana eyeshadow palette, and this video will be up sometime next week, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so I am on the Top Cashback website. I'm going to type in Sephora up here, and we are getting 6% cash back. Clicking on that, and then just click Get Cash Back Now. Super easy. Whenever I do these videos, I always like avoid the Sephora website for a few weeks, so it's like exciting once I get to the website and get to like look at everything with you guys. Okay, I already have something in my basket. What is in here? Yes, that's what I want to start with, is the Sephora Collection Best Skin Ever Concealer, because you do get 30% off Sephora Collection during the holiday savings event. I freaking love this concealer. I have it in 2 shades and I need something slightly lighter. Is this too light? The 3P? You know, just sometimes you want something a little bit brighter. Okay, here, this is helpful. Because I like the undertone of the P. The Y is a little too much for me, and I feel like the 4N, I'm going to do the P. It looks really light, but I've kind of been self-tanning a little bit less. Now that I have like my natural hair color, I kind of don't mind being pale, which makes sense, you know? So I'm going to add that 3P to my cart. All right, but let's go to the news section. This is my favorite section on the Sephora website. Look, my cashback is active. We are ready to go. Okay, I saw a lot of these deals because I've been watching a lot of Kelly Gooch's videos, and she did a really nice series on these Sephora sets and like what is actually of good value for these sets. And when I saw, I want this, the Duo Highlighter Wand set. I don't think the value was great, but I don't own either of these, and I want to. Or are they full size? Oh, they are minis. I like mini sizes too. I've kind of been trying to buy more mini products just because I never really go through a full size product, so I'm cool with that. Ooh, this is nice from Merit. Mini Flush Balm Cream Blush Trio. I have one of these and I do like their blushes, but I don't think I need any more. But this is a good formula. Does anyone else get annoyed how like the page changes every time you refresh it? Ooh, LYS. I haven't tried these before. Lots of blush sets. I'm not mad about that. These must be mini, right? $20? I like the size of these. Okay, we're gonna put this in the cart and maybe revisit it. I've never tried their blushes before, but I've heard great things. I love this Say Glowy Super Gel. I wear under like every foundation, so if you're in the market for something like that, that's a good little deal right there. I feel like there's lots of like duo sets where we see 2 of, excuse me, the same product. Oh, I know what I need. Okay, my brain will do this. I need a new Tatcha moisturizer. I always buy new one of these like every time I have any kind of discount because it's so freaking expensive, but this is my favorite moisturizer ever. It's also my boyfriend's favorite, and I do buy the value size. Yeah, we go through this very quickly in my house. It's so expensive, but with the discount, it's worth it. Oh, I saw Kelly talk about this. This is a good little deal. The little mini naked eyeshadow palette box set. I have a video with this Sin one right here. I haven't tried the other two, but I really like all these color stories. I'm not gonna buy it, but I think this is like a really good idea and a good deal. Ooh, I heard really good things about the Haus Labs foundation, but I don't need a new foundation right now. Holiday lip set. What we got in here? The Sephora sets are so fun. Give, NARS, Charlotte, Rare, Urban. Ooh, that's a lot of good stuff. I don't think I'd wear all these colors, but like these sets are really fun to like break up and like give to a bunch of friends. I totally thought about buying the Charlotte Tilbury concealer, but honestly, I love the Sephora Collection one that much, and it's like literally half the price, so I don't think I need this. I want to stock Merit for a second. You know what? I loved the Merit mascara, and I think it's a tubing mascara, right? Oh yeah. Okay, I'm getting it. My go-to Thrive Cosmetics one is getting a little low, so I kind of want to switch it up and get another tubing one. Love me some tubing mascaras. Haven't tried their lipstick formula, but it looks nice. I love their tinted lip oils though. Those are really good. Oh, the Huda Beauty Empowered Eyeshadow Palette. I'm still gonna film more with that. My thoughts are still very mixed on that eyeshadow palette. Okay, but get the Dream Palette. If you were to get like one eyeshadow palette during the sale, yes, get this one. Ooh, this is a good duo. I love the Youth to the People cleanser. Oh, it comes with a mini one. Okay, mine like is still like halfway full, so I don't need a new one right now, but that's a really good deal. Ooh, this looks nice too. The Tarte Maracuja Juicy Squad lip set. Yes, I'm literally wearing one of these right now. I already have 3, so I probably don't need more, but 84 value, that's a good deal. Okay, so as you guys know, Haus Labs discontinued my favorite eyeliners, and so many people have been asking me like, what are good dupes or what have I been using in place of them? And I don't have an answer for you yet, so maybe let's try to find a good one. Specifically, a kohl eyeliner. So if I type in kohl eyeliner, what pops up? Sephora Collection. What is this brand? Has anyone heard of that? I haven't. Underline Kajal, clean waterproof longwear eyeliner. I literally have never heard of this brand. What do the reviews say? See, I want something like the Haus Labs one, the gel kohl one. I would apply it and it's like super duper black, blends out, dries down. It'd stay pretty well. I mean, anything you put in your waterline will eventually go away. I'm just like scared to try a new brand. Drama Liquid Pencil Longwear Eyeliner. What do the reviews say? I always read reviews. Breaks off, can't sharpen. Oh my gosh, look, 4 1-star reviews in a row. Barely any product. I've used the Urban Decay ones before. I don't love them. I've tried Smashbox. Pat McGrath have one. I feel like she would have. Also, I feel like I need more Pat McGrath in my life. You know what I mean? There's not much of her in my life. Concealer, blush, under eye powder. Wait, I've used this before. And I think I liked it. I don't know where it went. I feel like eyeliner is such a tricky product because like everyone's eyes are so different. Some people have oily eyelids or dry eyelids. Some people's eyes like water more. Some people wear contacts. Like, okay, I think I'm gonna try this though because I think I used to like this. Ooh, I've been using this Paula's Choice eye cream and it's kind of nice. I've really been into Paula's Choice skincare recently. These Hourglass palettes are nice too. I love how you get a mixture of shades in them. I have one from like 2 years ago that I still use. Lots of Tatcha up here. I already love Tatcha, you guys know that. Ooh, I do really like these little Kaja eyeshadow trios. I just used one the other day and like it was perfect. Those are really cute. Okay, let's revisit my cart really quick. What do we have? Concealer. Oh, the Charlotte Tilbury Duo. The LYS Beauty blushes. My Tatcha moisturizer. Merit mascara. Pat McGrath eyeliner. I feel like that's pretty good so far. I always gotta check out my loves because I'll just like randomly like love products and try to revisit it later. I literally have all these products right here. Freaking love them. This Tarte tubing mascara is good too. I need like an acne product. You have the Peace Out Acne Dots. I've been using them like more frequently recently and they've been working. It's so gross when it like sucks all the gunk out, but it's so satisfying. Honestly, really bad at applying acne treatments. I think I'm gonna get this. I used to love this cleanser, the Inkey List one, the salicylic acid. Super nice and it's very inexpensive. How much is it? $11? Yeah. My brain is all over the place. You know the ones where like you rub it on your skin and the dead skin like flakes off? What do you call that? I used to have this. I used to love this. Is this what I want? I haven't used this like since I worked at Ulta, but I remember loving it. Okay, I feel good about that. A little bit of skincare stuff because my skin's been kind of freaking out. I kind of want to look at bronzers. I feel like I've been in a bronzer rut. I've been using these Sigma ones a lot and I still have like my Hourglass one I like a lot. But... Ooh! What about a Haus Labs one? I haven't tried anything from the new brand. How are the... It has really good reviews. Love, love, love. 10 out of 10. Perfection. Best powder bronzer I've ever tried. Say less. I think I like level 2. Like I kind of like the cool golden undertone. I think I have enough in my cart. I'm at $300, but we're saving 20% off. Okay, let's review again. Sephora Collection Concealer, which will be 30% off. Charlotte Tilbury, LYS, Tatcha, which I need, new mascara, new eyeliner, a acne cleanser, the exfoliating peel gel, and a bronzer. I feel like that's a pretty good like mixture of everything and I'm not like repeating any products. All right, I'm going to check out and complete my purchase here and I'm also getting my 6% cash back from Top Cash Back. So don't forget, if you sign up for Top Cash Back and spend $25, you will get a $10 sign up bonus plus whatever cash back is offered at the retailer you're shopping at. I would love to know what you guys are getting during the Sephora holiday savings event. Let's talk about it in the comments. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.